We at Normidas Biotech are pleased to introduce the Optimidas system. This is an all-in-one system for diagnostic assays, done for research use only at this time, that incorporates the MidaScan fluorescence scanner, which is specifically designed to work with the wavelengths that work best with the P-Gold plasmonic slides, also provided in the Optimidas system. And finally, we provide a variety of assay kits to look for your specific biomarker of choice. I'll first start talking about the MidaScan, which is a great machine for fluorescence scanning. It's extremely high resolution. You're able to get down to 3 micron pixel sizes. So when you're doing microarray work and you have microarray spots that are typically as small as 100 micron, you have 33 pixels across if you do 3 micron step size. So you're able to get ultra high resolution, which is perfect for microarray applications. You get extremely high signal to noise ratio because this works in the near infrared. This is not doing wavelengths in the visible. This is more in the red visible to near infrared, where background is much lower for biomarkers. You have much less autofluorescence, so you're able to pick out the signal from the fluorescent dye more clearly with lower background. The software is designed to basically make everything very easy. If you want to dig deep into it and get complex, you can do it, but there's also plenty of plugins that just make it a one-button push to solution. Now, the MidaScan detects in the near infrared. As we mentioned, this gives you less noise, which does improve your data, and it can work perfectly with these plasmonic enhancing P-Gold slides that Normidas Biotech also has, where it's essentially the same shape and morphology as a standard glass slide, so you can keep your same processes that you were doing with glass slides, but they're coated with a plasmonic P-Gold coating that amplifies fluorescence in the visible and the near infrared 100-fold for most dyes. So when combined with the MidaScan scanner, you're going to be lowering your limit of detection for the biomarkers of choice by up to 3 or 4-fold. With a 3 micron pixel resolution, you'll definitely be able to pick up even the smallest microarray spots. I'll dig a little bit deeper into P-Gold slides, where there's essentially a nanostructured plasmonic gold film that's placed on each slide. And this plasmonic gold film still works great for printing. You can do microarray printing on it. You can use these slides as you would use standard glass slides, but you will have enhancement, fluorescence enhancement up to 100-fold for fluorescent dyes. The nice thing is it doesn't enhance background noise though, so you're able to get higher true signal without increasing your background. This gives you a much wider dynamic range, up to 7 logs. So with proper multiplexing of microarrays, you can get thousands of biomarkers on a single slide. Because of fluorescence enhancement, you can use less reagent. Diagnostic assays are done with as little as 1 microliter of sera, as opposed to standard assays using 100 microliter. And now these slides are specifically designed to use with the MidaScan system. The software is designed to read out the high fluorescence from these slides. And each and every slide goes through a fairly rigorous quality control procedure where they are visually inspected, as well as inspected using ultraviolet spectroscopy to determine that they have a homogeneous plasmonic enhancement throughout, so that you don't encounter any hot spots or dull spots, that it's an even fluorescence enhancement throughout the entire slide. And each and every slide undergoes this process. So these slides were really designed with protein microarrays and cell-based imaging assays in mind. So with protein microarrays, typically what you see is you don't have enough signal for the protein biomarker of choice. They tend to be very dilute, more dilute than DNA microarrays. So, and there's no such thing as PCR on protein, so you can't really amplify the amount of protein you have. So you just need to improve your sensitivity by increasing signal, and that's where these P-Gold slides come in and make the difference. At the bottom here, we see the antibody signal for patient serum on just top glass slide available with Psi3 label, and it's fairly dull. You're getting about 100 signal to background ratio. And when the same thing's run on the P-Gold slide with an IR800 label, which is the near-infrared label, and scanned in that near-infrared channel that the MidaScan scanner offers, you're getting 1,000-to-1 signal-to-background ratio. So that's a tenfold increase, and that's compared with the best available glass slide out there for protein microarrays. Along with slides and MidaScan scanner, we also offer a number of assays and kits that can be used for cytokine detection, cell imaging, antibody detection, RPPA reverse phase protein assays. We can also work with DNA detection, and we can do custom assay development that you just need to communicate with us what your needs are, and we will work with you. These kits will include standard controls, dye label detection antibodies specific for your biomarker of choice, diluents, and the P-Gold slides as biochips with printed capture antibody or printed capture antigen on them, depending on what you may need in order to run your assay. Please contact us if you have any questions about the entire Optimidas system, and we are willing to work with you to help solve your research needs.